you're anything like us, you've always wondered what it would be like to live on a boat.
So many brand new experiences.
She's pretty good at tying ropes already.
We just spent 6 nights on a luxury houseboat cruising the Rideau Canal in Ottawa, Canada. And if this is what boat life is like, count us in. We have a full vlog of our entire experience on the Rideau Canal, but right now, we're gonna give you guys a little tour of the inside of the boat. This is the Horizon 4, which is the second largest boat that Le Boat has to offer.
All right, so over here we have a nice big refrigerator, and then on this side there's a small drinking refrigerator.
The kitchen is actually really easy to cook in. We have a 4-burner propane stove, microwave oven, sink to do all of your dishes, and also they provide all of your dishes. So you've got all your plates and forks and spoons and knives and pots and pans and everything that you can need to make a delicious meal on board.
There's a huge dining area over here, and this table actually drops down and becomes another bed.
The kitchen area is really spacious. It's nice to just sit around, play a game of cards, eat a delicious meal, and I love that it's all windows. It's so bright and beautiful in here and really lets you see the scenery that you're enjoying while you're riding.
Up front here is the captain's chair, and there's actually 2 captain's chairs. There's one up top and one down below. We're at the down below station. Flip this little lever over, so right now it's on upper, and you can put it on lower if you want. Throttle, thrusters. The thrusters make your life a hell of a lot easier. They have a Fusion radio system right here that allows us to either dual zone it or single zone it, which is like we could play the music down here if we don't want to disturb anybody outside, or just up top if we don't want to disturb the baby sleeping. Inside these guys here, there's a bunch of storage so you can put your stuff inside them.
Now we're moving down into the cab area. There's 4 cabins and each has their own bathroom. We have the 2 up front. Ooh, let's open this.
To let in all the light.
Ooh. So the 2 cabins up front are set up the same. We have this one set up for Everly.
So if you have a baby and you want to be in one of these Le Boats, you could do it. We have our pack and play in here. Inside here is a good size wet room toilet. There's a skylight in here as well and a window. We have them covered.
Over here is the normal bed configuration for the upfront room, which is the 2 beds on the side. They provide all of the bedding that you would need as well as towels. Another full bathroom in here. We've had a couple of showers. They're very comfortable. Then we move into the back. I do love how there is lighting in all of the rooms, so you never feel like you're below deck anywhere, which is nice. Everly's change station. Another full bathroom. All the bathrooms are basically the same. Full wet bath in every single bathroom. And then the final one is our bedroom.
We've been super comfortable sleeping on this boat.
I think the Horizon 4 technically sleeps 10 people, which is really great. You can bring your whole family on board and have a really luxurious family vacation or couples vacation. Everybody gets their own private space, which I absolutely love. And then you can enjoy the Rideau Canal or the Trent Severn on a Le Boat here in Canada and all over the world.
I gotta say, these locks are pretty dang beautiful, as you could tell by the video that you're watching right now. Here's the good boy right there, chilling. Found a good little sun spot. The whole boat is completely walkable. Stairs going up to the upper deck, as well as you can walk around here and go up to the front. They have a nice swim platform back here that it makes it easy access off a dock, a little swim ladder. The upper deck here is pretty simple. We have a grill that we cook on. We made some burgers on here, works perfect. It's like a griddle, so you can make breakfast, you can make all different meals up here. A nice big spacious table with some cup holders in the center. A huge area back here to kind of chill out, hang out with your friends if you're on the Le Boat experience. More chairs up front and a sunbathing area up here up in the front too as well. So all those little things you see on top are like little vents for your rooms as well, so you can vent the rooms and the showers. Yeah, it's a pretty big boat.